Mommy made easy.
Hello, Abusia. Me ma wakwa bebio ever tree made easy so. Ene, ye besua ewiem bobre. Ana ewiem sakraye. Today, we are going to learn about the weather and various elements that have to do with the weather. Are you ready? Let's get started. Why a crowd? Yen Shasia.
Just a moment, Grandma Martha. Did you say ewiem bobre? Ana ewiem sakraye? What is that?
All right. That is how you say the weather in Chi. If you want to say the weather in Chi, you can say ewiem bobre, ana ewiem sakraye.
That is interesting, Grandma Martha. Yes, you can continue the lesson.
Let's get started. Yen Shasia. Sun. Area. Rain. Inshia eto. Clouds. Monunkum. Lightning. Ayurim. Thunder. Agrada. Snow. Esutrema. Moon. Bosome. Or Ostram. Wind. Inframa. Whirlwind. Emotia inframa. Stars. Ensuroma. Rainbow. Nyankontong. The sun is shining. Ariable. The sun is rising. Ariepie. The sun is setting. Ariakoto. It is windy. Inflammable. It is stormy. Ehun ritu. It is raining. Insioto. The rain has stopped. Insionate. It is snowing. Esutramato. The moon is shining. Bosomie pue. I feel cold. Awo dime. I feel hot. Eseu dime. Are you ready to test your knowledge? What is this called in tree? Did you say esutrema? Ani, your friend no esutrema. Snow is esutrema. What about this? Why are dear inframa? Why are dear? What about this? Enstroma. And this image, what is it called in Chi? Nyankonton. Waya dia pa. Winswe, what about this? Area, good job. And this? Mulunkum, bonsamaho, waya dia pa. And amwase, yebishevyo. Bye.
And empty sand, how is the weather today? And empty sand, how is the weather today? And I'm here, today the weather is sunny. I'm here, sunny. And I'm here, today the weather is sunny. And empty sand, how is the weather today? And empty sand, how is the weather today? And then see you at Toshe. Today the weather is rainy. It's your weather, rainy. And then see you at Toshe. Today the weather is rainy. And empty sand, how is the weather today? And empty sand, how is the weather today? And then from my bush, today the weather is windy. From my elbow, windy. And then from my bush, today the weather is windy. Insio coco, conabra, da fofro, mofra, bediagro. Insio coco.
Insio coco, conabra, da fofro, mofra, bediagro. Insio coco.
Insio coco, conabra, da fofro, mofra, bediagro. Insio coco.
Insio coco, conabra, da fofro, mofra, bediagro. Insio coco. Insio coco, conabra, da fofro, mofra, bediagro. Insio coco.
Insio coco, conabra, da fofro, mofra, bediagro. Insio coco. Insio coco, conabra, da fofro, mofra, bediagro. Insio coco.
Insio coco, conabra, da fofro, mofra, bediagro. Insio coco.
Insio coco, conabra, da fofro, mofra, bediagro. Insio coco.
Insio coco, conabra, da fofro, mofra, bediagro. Insio coco. Insio coco, conabra, da fofro, mofra, bediagro. Insio coco.
Insio coco, conabra, da fofro, mofra, bediagro. Insio coco.
Thank you for watching. Join our YouTube family. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye.